All right, so good morning from our side here at the Beast Plateau Hotel in Abidjan. And yeah, obviously it's not been a brilliant or a good one from the camp of the Black Stars. Let me begin from there because there's been so much happening with the Black Stars of Ghana. Where for a couple of days when the Black Stars of Ghana had to lose their very first game against Cape Verde, we saw that some fans were absolutely agitated because of the results that happened, and some had to take their frustration into the team hotel where a fan nearly attacked the coach, that is Chris Hughton, but it took the intervention of some Ghanaian players to stop him not to do that. And then after, we understand that what we hear is that the fan had to, stop a taxi nearby to live. But as it stands now, Chris Hughton is safe and sound. Nothing really happened to him. But yeah, obviously the Black Stars of Ghana yesterday with their training section, they eventually told people or told fans or journalists to be 100 meters away from the training section. So it really served as, what happened, the terrible thing that happened with Chris Hughton. That is why that has happened. The punishment to some fans or some journalists not to get close to the team. But we see how that unfolds, and we'll bring you some details. But yesterday was quite a brilliant one for the defending champion Senegal, who beat Gambia in the very opening game by 3 goals to 0. Lamine Camara, the 20-year-old who scored a brace for Senegal, ensured that Senegal started on a high note. They beat Gambia by 3 goals to 0. Right, so the second game that involved in Group C, that involved Cameroon and Guinea. Remember that Andre Onana, who played for Manchester United, it came out that United and Cameroon agreed that he plays the game against Tottenham Hotspur before he flies to Cameroon. And from Rigobert, the coach of Cameroon, said that Andre Onana touched down in Abidjan 4 p.m. and the game started at 5 p.m. It was the reason why he had to exclude Onana from the team. And Onana was furious, and we saw, pictures flying on social media that legend Diouf was talking to Andre Onana in the tunnel. And what Onana said was that if he knew he was not going to start the game, or if he knew he was not going to be part of the team, why did he even pick up a private jet to Abidjan? And then after the game, when Cameroon played out a 1-1 draw against Guinea, don't forget Guinea scored and then had a man down before Cameroon had to equalize. But then the game finished 1-1. And in the press conference, Rigobert says that he doesn't really understand how or why he should include Onana into the team after the Man United player just touched down 1 hour to kickoff. So it's quite an interesting one, and it's a brilliant atmosphere out here this morning at the Beast Plateau Hotel. But I will be bringing you some latest in the Africa Cup of Nations today. As Tuesday, obviously Ghana is not playing. They will play on Thursday, but then there will be some activities happening today, and we'll be bringing you all the latest as well. Don't forget that. We really thank MTN for this trip here in Abidjan, as well as Great Minds Multimedia, who has been clothing me ever since I got here in Abidjan as well. But we'll catch you same time after today's activities. We'll keep you updated, but don't forget to follow MX24 Television or MX24 GH for all the latest in Abidjan in AFCON 2023.